Hello everyone, my name is Pedro Javier Guerrero, and today I want to show you, I want to explain you some aspect about the Cambridge exam according our final activity in our course English exam. For this, according to the guideline, we have to respond 6 questions about the different international English texts that the Colombian people can do here. As I said, in my case, I have chosen the Cambridge exam. The first question is, what is the purpose of the exam? Okay, according to the Cambridge University, the idea with this exam is that the people can demonstrate what is his or her English level, maybe for apply in a job in a international or national company, maybe for apply in a position, maybe that person wants to study in a foreign university, or maybe that person wants to participate in a civil service in another country. The second question is, what kind of people can take this exam? This kind of text can be due for anyone, for everybody, because fortunately the Cambridge University has different kind of text. It's only to know what is the appropriate exam for you. The third question is, what is the main goal for the exam? As I said, the main goal is that the people can demonstrate what is your real level English. The idea is that the person can have as international certificate, validate international or recognized in for many universities and companies around the world. The fourth question is, what are the most significant characteristics of the exam? I think the most important characteristics of this exam is we have to choose the best option for us, because the Cambridge University have created a set of tests, exactly 5 tests according to the different level English according to the common European framework of reference for language. For example, if you have a level basic level, I mean A2, you can take the KET test or K English test. If you have a intermediate level, you can choose the preliminary English test, call it PET. If you have a high intermediate English level, you can take the first certificate in English, who is the people who your English level is B2. If you have a high English level, you can choose the CAE or Certificate Advanced English. That is text is for the people who English level is C1. Or maybe, or finally, you can choose take the certificate of proficiency in English. That kind of test is for people who English level is C2. As you can see, we have many options. The 5th question is, what skills are evaluated through the exam? The exam for the Cambridge University, we can check all the linguistic skills. For example, we can check the breathing comprehension, reading, breathing expression, use the of English, listening comprehension, or oral expression. We can evaluate all the linguistic skills. And finally, we have the question 6. Give a clear and wide explanation about the type of question the exam has and what the score is you can get, the lowest score and the highest one. Okay, the Cambridge University, or maybe the exam from the Cambridge University has different way to evaluate the English skills. But it's a lot of information. In this case, I have chosen the A2 flyers. For evaluate the listening skill in A2 flyers, the student can see the pictures, and after that, the student can listen a recording, and he has to choose the best option through a line, as you can see here in the picture, and try to choose the best option according to that recording. This is for the listening skill. If you want to evaluate the reading and writing skill, according to A2 flyers, the student has the opportunity to respond different questions, like as you can see here in this slide. You only have to choose the best option, or maybe the answer that you can think is the best option. and finally, the speaking part. In this part, the student, if has a partner, he can make this part together, because the examiner give them a pictures, and they have to try to describe these pictures, their opinions about that picture, the difference, and something like that. And finally, we have the score chart. In this part, we can see the different English level, A1 to C2, and in this part we can see the name from the different Cambridge International English Test. According to this bar, for example, if we want to see what is the score for a person who English level is A2 or B1, we can see that is the 120 is the low level, and the high level is 150 points. If we want to choose another exam, for example, the Cambridge English Advanced, we can see that 210 points is the high score, while 180 is the lowest score. Okay guys, that's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and wait for your comment. Goodbye.